guys, so I'm so excited. In this video I'm gonna show you so many beautiful footages taken with this 360-degree drone, Antigravity A1.
A quick note, there is a promotion of up to 25% off, so don't forget to check out the link down below after watching this video.
And this is my second video making the video about Antigravity A1 because I really enjoy this drone. So I took this drone out on a extremely short trip to the seaside, and I was able to get plenty of amazing shots. And I only got to fly this drone several times because it was sort of raining at some points and so on. However, I was able to get so many beautiful shots with this drone because this is a 360-degree camera in this tiny little travel-friendly drone. So today I want to share with you guys 5 reasons why I think getting a 360-degree camera drone is a great choice for anybody who is looking to begin their drone journey or who is looking to upgrade in their next drone. So the first reason why I absolutely love Antigravity is that you can fly first and then frame later. And that's exactly what I did. So I told you guys I went on a seaside and it was a mini trip, just 2 days, and it was raining for the most of the first day. So I didn't have a lot of time to fly the drone. But because this drone is 360 degrees, it takes video in all surroundings, I was able to capture so many interesting shots. One of the drone shots that I really like the best with any drone out there is to go just straight. So one of the easiest way to get amazing shot is going straight, as you can see in this footage. And with 360-degree camera drone, I also got the amazing reverse shot as well. What makes Antigravity A1 so special in this aspect is that it enjoys AI technology inside the app where it analyzes all your footages. So in fact, I've actually only taken several really long shots. And the great thing is that I don't have to go through the entire footage to find out which angle is the best, which segment is the best. Instead, the AI just clips out, as you can see in my app, in my Antigravity app. All these tiny little footages, so it's so easy to edit later on, and most of the results are amazing. And you can actually further edit the AI clipped images to add back any segments that you want as well. But I do find that in most cases, AI analyzed footages are actually better than what I can do. So I just go with them. And you're seeing the results here, and you get so many different perspectives with just one single flight. And the second reason why I think this Antigravity A1 drone is amazing is that you fly with this goggle. Wow, this goggle graphic is actually really cool. So once you put it on, you can turn around any direction. And because the drone is 360 degrees, you're seeing everything. So the whole experience is super immersive, and that's exactly why I'm flying the drone. That's exactly why we are flying the drone, because we love the immersive experience of the drone, feeling like a bird. And with this Antigravity A1 drone, and especially with this goggle, I really felt like I was a bird. And inside this goggle, there are menus. So now I'm showing you the screenshot of what you're seeing inside this goggle, exactly what I'm seeing. And the menu, which you can go on by clicking this button, very easy. You can do many different things. So I'm quickly showing you what I'm doing with deep track which is a feature that's so easy to use for any beginners out there. So here there are some interesting boats that were going out fishing early in the morning. Really nice light from the sunrise, and the surrounding looks amazing. There are some seagulls flying by the boat, and I decided that I wanted to have a go at tracking that boat. With this goggle, it's so clear to see, and it actually tells you what I need to do as well, like press C1 and so on. And I was able to track it and get some beautiful shots here as well. So I've talked about how useful this vision goggle is when you're flying the drone, but next I want to really share with you why for beginners A1, Antigravity A1 is so easy to fly, because you don't get the typical joystick, but you get the motion controller here, trigger button, and all these buttons that you can actually reach while you have the vision goggle on. And as I've mentioned before, I like going forward, which also takes the video in reverse as well. All I need to do is press the trigger button and slightly tilt forward, or if you want to fly back, you can either like do reverse, but instead I always like to sort of just fly forward and then turn the camera around to the other direction, to 100-degree direction, and then also move forward. So you always have the vision in your vision goggle so that you always fly your drone really safe. But they do have 360-degree obstacle avoidance system there, so it's really safe and really easy to use. And here you see brake button, recording button, snapshot button, and also C1 and C2 button here, and the menu button here as well. So intuitive to use. So after flying it a couple of times, you sort of get used to it. You really remember all these little buttons here. So Sky Genie is autopilot feature that I keep on going back. So many of my videos that I've taken in this mega short trip to the seaside, I was keep on going back to using Sky Genie. Because for example, you can just rotate around an island, so I can get the perfect orbit in a perfect circle around some islets, and waves breaking into the islets, into the rocks, they are amazing. And around lighthouses, definitely use Sky Genie. And Sky Genie has many different menus as well. The results are amazing, which means any beginners out there with the drone, they can get professional looking footages with just a few clicks of buttons. And the last reason why I think this Antigravity A1 is a drone that you want to consider is that it is travel friendly. The combo set comes with this travel bag, and you can fit everything that you need in this bag, and that's it. You don't need to carry anything else. I'm going to fit in the drone here. This drone is completely foldable, and the protective shell is just perfect for that. So your drone is always very safe here. So it goes into this bag, and in the middle I already have the battery and also the charger here as well. This charger, if you want, you can actually charge 3 batteries in one go. But of course, you know, it charges 1 battery at the time, but this is really convenient. So it goes into the middle, and in the zip there are some, you know, spare propellers and so on. And the motion controller goes into this segment. And now let me turn off this vision goggle. And vision goggle goes in here. So here everything fitted in, and also here there are some spare propellers as well. So this is all I took to fly my drone, and that's it. This is it. So everything that you need to fly the drone is in here. And also because the drone itself is 360 degrees, I don't have to worry about framing. You can worry about it later at the editing stage, which is so easy with the AI analysis on the app. Then I can really just enjoy the moment of my trip and not worry about, how to frame the drone and how to edit the drone and so on. Everything is done with the technology of Antigravity A1 drone, so you don't have to worry about anything but really enjoying the trip. For any of you guys who are using your drone in a really rough situation, I never had to replace the lens or camera in any drone before because I am a gentle drone pilot, but you'd be glad to know that there is replacement lens kit. On the outer layer of the camera, there is a protective lens. So you can actually replace the lens. So keep that expensive 360-degree camera all protected. So the protective outer, sort of shell lens is replaceable. So you can get such a kit, which is a much more economical way to keep your camera very safe.
By the way, you'd be happy to hear that Antigravity offers warranty coverage and local repair centers worldwide for fast, reliable support. And right now there is a promotion of up to 25% off, so make sure you check out the link.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed my beautiful drone footages from short getaway to the seaside using my Antigravity A1. This is such a tiny little drone but so powerful, especially with the 360-degree camera and a drone. So if you want to check out more information about this Antigravity A1, then don't forget to click the link down below for some great promotion out there. And I'll be back with other interesting gadget review. So see you!